SmartX is a 3-year collaborative project funded by the EU's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme to support the establishment of a smart textiles manufacturing value chain in Europe through acceleration funding and coaching of SMEs and startups. In recent years, smart textiles have started to move out of the research and prototyping stage, reaching some promising end markets which are expected to be worth $1.5 billion by 2025. SmartX traveled around Europe looking for cross-sectorial partnerships from textile innovators that could further the goal of establishing a new integrated smart textiles value chain for development and manufacturing, filling the current missing link. All funded projects developed a textile fiber or fabric-based product that provides a smart function with an integrated electronic component. The three main objectives of the SmartX project are fund and coach at least 40 SMEs selected in the 3 SmartX open calls, create a value chain map, and create a vibrant interactive European smart textiles community of innovators and other relevant key players. More than $2.3 million allocated in SME funding and coaching activities across the 3 open calls. To make high-quality and affordable smart textiles, we need a new value chain that combines expertise and capacities from sectors such as textiles, electronics, software and services. This value chain is emerging today, but it still has important gaps and weaknesses, especially where textiles and electronics get integrated. SmartX focused its support on companies that can help close these gaps. The SmartX project interconnects cross-sectorial innovation partners from textiles, IoT, electronics, software development, design and end markets with the purpose of building a new industrial ecosystem. Over the 3 years, SmartX has created a community of more than 800 members from all over Europe. In 2021, Textile ETP launched the European Smart Textiles Masterclass, a 15-month learning journey that, following a curriculum composed of 7 thematic modules delivered through 15 webinars. It brought together over 270 experts from 16 European countries. Now the SmartX and the Masterclass communities will be brought together, creating a meeting place for over 1,000 smart textiles experts from all over Europe. Contact us and join in the new European Smart Textiles Innovation Community.